are at the ISC22 Student Cluster Competition, the first live student cluster competition in 2 years. It's been a long time, but we are here live with the ETH Zurich team, or Raclette, as they call themselves. And let's meet the team. So tell us a little bit about yourself.
Yeah, hi, I'm Fabio Herold. I worked on compiling Icon, so this weather simulation software, which is used by the European Union, will soon also be used actually in Switzerland by Swiss Meteo. And it's actually currently running, so that's the noise you might hear in the background.
That would be the screaming noise that drills into your skull.
Correct.
And over time makes you insane. Is that the noise you're talking about?
What noise are you? I don't know.
You don't even,
I don't hear it anymore. I'm not
anymore.
sure. It's,
oh, it's there. Yeah.
I'll pass it on to Niklas.
Yes, hello. I'm Niklas, and I worked on NWCam. Had nice talks with Jeff to get it running. And
Jeff
in the end, yes.
NWCam Maven. Yep.
Exactly. And in the end, we got it to run. We got to run on all nodes. So it went better than expected.
Fantastic.
Now I'll pass it on to Nejo.
A triumph. Hey.
I am Nejo. So I've been working on and setting up, well, Grafana and monitoring stuff for our cluster. So we already know what's happening.
That's all typical stuff.
So I'll pass my microphone to Piotr.
Please.
I'm Piotr Łuczyński. I worked on the Incompact 3D, which is a software for turbulence modeling. I also worked on the coding challenge for...
Okay. How'd that go?
Sorry?
How'd that go?
Oh, that went pretty okay. Yeah, that went pretty well. We made use of... we changed the MPI to use non-blocking collectives to make use of DPU offloading.
So you feel quietly confident that your results
let's say we were quite confident. Yeah.
Okay, quite confident. That's good. Very good. You're up.
Okay, I'm Rahul Steiker.
A little closer to the microphone.
I'm Rahul Steiker. I worked on the micro benchmarks like HPL, HPCG, and HPCC, and also a little bit on Icon. But Fabio took over after a while.
How'd you do with the benchmarks?
Well, we're not that confident because we're running on older hardware, because unfortunately our graphics cards didn't arrive in time, but the benchmarks, we had a run, we ran them, but we're not sure.
Not sure how well they stack up.
Against the newer A100s, which are B100, so yeah.
Yeah, that's going to be a little rough.
Yeah, that's going to be rough.
That's going to be rough.
Yeah.
These guys are sporting 16 A100s, but they can't use them all. So, yeah.
Okay, we could maybe ask them to get some, but yeah, we should have
I think you could have gotten 4 out of them. And they would have been better off to give them to you than to try and run what they're running. Because they had to go down to 1 node on some of these things.
Oh, okay, that's pretty rough.
Yeah. So we'll see what happens. Marcel.
Yes, that's my name. My name is Marcel.
I know. You know what? I read that. Just like that. That's why I'm a pro. Because I can read something right away. Marcel Ferrari?
Yes.
That's kind of cool. That's a badass name. Marcel Ferrari.
I get that somewhat a lot.
I bet you do. Have you guys seen the Ferraris they have up front?
Yeah, I think they got pulled over by the police and they had to shut down the event.
That would have been cool. I would have liked to have been in those. That would have been neat.
Yeah.
So tell us about yourself.
That would have been great. I worked on with Piotr on both the XCompact 3D task and on the coding challenge. And I also did most of the visualizations for the team. Mm-hmm. I'm also working on a NWCam visualization that is the only one missing. You can see the other ones on the screen right here. Okay. But I'm not sure if we'll be able to finish. I'll be able to finish everything today, given that we have the mystery task. Right now. So yeah, we're trying to juggle a bit everything we have to do.
Time. Only got 3 hours left?
Yes. And
yes.
Right now we have to still get it to compile, and then we can move on to trying to optimize it and see how much performance we can squeeze out of it.
Are you guys using any profiling tools?
We did, not for every application, but we did run HPCX, especially with, I'm sure we ran it on XCompact. I'm not sure about the other applications.
Because those can help.
It's HPX plus IPM. It's they're packaged together. Yes, right. And I think it's a tool provided by NVIDIA.
Okay.
And yeah, we definitely use that a lot, especially with XCompact. What we did is we tried to optimize the communication between processes, since XCompact relied a lot on communication for transposition calls in its domain, right? And so we tried to find the optimal process pinning so that most of the communication would happen inside within the same node, right?
Good.
Since not all not all processors communicate with all processors, right?
True.
There's like certain groups that communicate with each other, and so we tried to get them as close as possible to minimize communication time. And so yes,
Sounds like you've given everything a pretty good shot.
Yep, it was really useful.
Good job. Well, thank you for being here. It's great talking to you. Good luck. I know you're on the V100s, but you might have a shot here. You never know, right? So keep clustering hard, finish up your stuff, and I'll let you get back to it. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.